case. Whoa! Alright. So the baseboard right here, this big solid nice chunk of wood with these holes in it. This is where you connect the bars and stuff. It looks like it's fairly straightforward, but just looking at the picture, boom, boom. Okay, so it comes with these little stoppers with these little grippers right here. Check this out. Do you see that? And that's gonna basically just prevent these from wobbling around. See, tighten that up. And now, yeah, see, those are nice and tight there now. Oh yeah, see now that. Ooh, ooh, Calisthenics. Oh. I'm pretty impressed how solid this gets when you tighten those knobs up, man. All right, let's look the rest of this up. Oh, this gets nuts. This gets nuts. Boom. Pull-up bar. Don't pinch it. I believe these are used for doing push-ups. Yeah. Oh, I think this is for like resistance band training maybe? Oh, this is a self-defense mechanism. Huh? Huh? Oh. It holds well, honestly. Like, that's fairly solid for what you would expect. All right, so I'm gonna test this thing out. I'm gonna do a bodyweight beast 2.0 workout on this bad boy. We're doing day 12. I'm gonna say a few nice things about this. So first thing I was like, you know, the push-up things, but after trying them out, that extra little bit of range of motion, that extra little stretch you can get using these things on here, it's so basic, so simple. It just feels really good. It feels different than doing like a normal push-up. I really like that. Also, the dips right here, extremely solid. Like, that is more solid than I thought it would be. Like, you know what I mean? Usually when the smaller the thing is, like the less solid it is, but just performing dips on these bars, like, it was pretty dang solid. Now the pull-up bar, it does come up higher, so there is a little bit of play right here, but it didn't negatively affect the pull-up performance at all, just like doing pull-ups anywhere else. Muscle ups, I don't know, maybe. Yeah, you could technically do muscle ups. Yeah, you could do it, but if you try to swing out, you would hit this thing, obviously. The workout we just did was nice and basic, but this thing performed, held up super well. The one thing I'm disappointed in is, why didn't I have this 2 years ago? I don't even think this was out 2 years ago, but extra awesome. There's also some additional parts that I'll show you when I bring this downstairs, but let's see how good it packs up in the bag, and yeah, thumbs up so far. Yo, pay attention, guys, because this is probably the most confusing part, is putting this thing back in here, but so pay attention here. The inside. Something like this. Here. Alright, take a good look at that. Yeah, there's some straps I didn't fully close it up, but I think it'll be fine. I think it'll hold itself together. Honestly, that's the hardest part, is putting it in the package. I don't think you can put this wood thing inside this thing, but that's okay. All right, so both together weigh probably like 80 pounds, I'd say maybe. But yeah, look, not bad. You can do farmer's carries too when you're done. You know, work those traps, work that grit. All right, I'm gonna move this to the basement and I'll see you guys down there. Bring it in, folks, bring it in. All right, so huge shout out to Fit for sending me their home gym to try out. After putting this thing together, taking it apart, putting it through a workout, some highlights that I really like about it that I wanna point out. For a calisthenics rig that's easily disassembled, that doesn't really require any tools, it is pretty darn sturdy, especially for the dips. Like this solid piece of wood right here really does well when you're trying to go into your dips. Like there's no shaking, there's no awkward like any thing like that. Like it's very solid. It's like you're using a solid calisthenics setup in the park. And now even for the pull-ups, I was pleasantly surprised at how stable that was for pull-ups. Yes, there is a little bit of play, so be wary of that, but it's not much. And considering that there's no tools to tighten this up, it's really like hooked together like, you know, like my trampoline's hooked together with those little pop pins. So thumbs up and then thumbs up again. Also something that I quickly learned to like while going into the workout were the push-up attachment pieces. Something about getting that extra depth on this platform with the push-ups felt extremely good. Kind of felt like using a perfect push-up. Now there's a ton of other options that you can do with this thing I didn't even use yet. For example, you have these loop hooks right here that you can hook up resistance bands through and hook up some extra attachments. So this thing does come apart really nicely and go together pretty easily. Now kind of like the only thing that I was expecting that, you know, isn't that big of a deal is I did think this base piece would fit in the storage bag as like all one unit that you could carry. But as you can clearly see right here, it's not gonna go in this bag. So this bag is literally for all the bars and attachments, and then you're gonna carry this on the side if you decide to bring it anywhere, right? And it's got this little carry handle in the wood right here. But this bag is nice because it makes it for overall storage very nice. You just put these two things together and you can like literally like slide it under the bed or put it in the closet or something. Like it's really like not that wide and that much space when you see it all together, right? It's not even that tall, you know what I mean? And it's not too heavy either. It's probably about, you know, 60 to 80 pounds, somewhere in that range. If you guys are interested in this Fit home gym, you can get $25 off of your order if you go to MacroFit's website in the description and use code FOCUS at the checkout. That's right, we got code FOCUS. It'll get you $25 off. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to subscribe. More reviews coming. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.